So one of the main tests or one of the EAs that I want to show today, it's one that it's been giving me a lot of good impressions. I had a really, well, really I had zero expectations after the back test. I really thought it was only a history reader. It was giving me 100% win rate in very small volume of trades, like 12 trades in 2 months. So I really thought it was history reader. So I started tracking this EA on the 8th of this on the 8th of February, and as you can see, this is amazing. Like the results are crazy. It's 14 trades, 100% win rate so far, and a max drawdown. It was average 5%, but we dropped to 10% just because of one bad trade. So let me break down this situation. So as we can see, the EA, it's very slow. It's not trading all the time. It's actually one max two trades per session. Let's mark we're currently in 1 hour in MetaTrader. So let's mark the 8th of February. That's the day that pretty much we turn on the EA. So here we have the 8. Let's go back to, well, let's go down to 8 minute time frame. Let's reduce the size of this and zoom in. So as we can see, we started the, give me 1 second. Let me remove the, okay. So, okay, as we can see, as soon as we started the EA, I was back testing. So mainly the idea is to make all the EAs that I found work with my data, with my expertise with Xiao USD. So as we can see, this EA, first of all, has a risk management, or we could say an input that prevents trading 24/7 or in the 24-hour schedule of the market. So this one is set to trade more or less half a day. So it's only positioning, as we can see, with zoom in, it's positioning itself around, if we check the trades, it's positioning in between 15 hours. The schedule of this particular model, or this B1, we could say, it's 14 to 24 hours from the MT4 terminal. That is pretty much before, if I'm not mistaken, a little bit before New York Open. That's why we have a lot of activity during the spikes of news. But this, for example, was a day that gave the average higher drawdown. It was 5% registered. So it was very, very clean trading. So even though the spike can be prevented with, or this drawdown can be prevented with news filters, DA managed to actually trade pretty impressive. As you can see, it's not one-sided position. It's different actually. So we have more trades taking. In reality, we don't have fixed stop loss or TP. I don't think we have stop loss because the backtest shows we kind of breathe at one point, meaning we open another trade with a little bit more volume than the original, kind of martingale. And as you can see, also the progression of the initial lot is adding up. This is because has a compounding function based in the balance, so it will increase very, very softly, as you can see, but it will increase. So very much when the price is trending, ranging, sorry, it's very safe. And actually, the only issue was here with the closing trade on Friday. So it took a very, very, very smart trade the last day of trading on Friday. Let's go to the, let's go to that day. So as we can see, we took a very smart trade. We clicked in and out at the market open, but then we placed this trade when market started to push. But the situation here is market is about to close for the weekend. So in reality, there's no need for us to push this type of trades. So I could easily turn auto trading off or just set it off to trade less hours. And that's what I did with the second model. Currently, I'm working with the updated model based in the result this EA, especially to prevent this. So you don't have to add more EAs or trade managers like the news filters. In this situation, I made two modifications to the new test. Will be to add half a lot, so I don't have to open 10 lots every time. I will reduce so at least I can work with 0.1 or one full lot, because it's very safe. So in reality, if you manage the backend, especially during news, you can get a lot of good results with low risk. So in reality, margin for issues with with margin especially won't be there. So one lot is in theory very safe so far. So the back test also runs back to runs full time 2023 to up to date with very good results, but of course full margin, meaning 100% of risk. But that's how you manage the EAs on the stress test phase. That's the only way you really have to know if the EA is suitable for live trading. And so far, let's go back to the my FX book. Like, this is not joke. This is real trading. Like, even though you change the conditions to live trading, the executions will be almost the same. Let's remember these demo servers are the same that you use with prop firms, so expect results to be the same. So my priority right now will be to adjust the. I don't want to push more 20%. I just want to reduce the drawdown. As we know, the biggest drawdown was one during the spike news. Was in the 14th. Actually, on the 13th was the spike. EMI or CPI, I can't remember right now. One of the two. And then we had the Friday trade that really, this was the spike news. And the other was the holding during Friday. Like, that was the second trade on one day. That's the first time I see it takes two trades in one day. So this was very bad trade, illogic, and it at the end it managed to close in profit today. As you can see, market is reversing. Let's go back to show USD chart. Market currently reversing, so we can expect this EA to be good even in live conditions, because opening 14 trades and having a 100% win rate, it's not random. Like, tell every guru to do this and they will fail miserably. Like, I can't even open 100% trades. Like, 14 trades is too much for a 100% success. This code, I think, originally was meant for USA 30 or any other asset that is not gold. So mainly that's why we can achieve these results, because I have a deep understanding on algo trading Shell USD. I have a deep understanding on backtesting Shell USD, so the testing time is widely reduced. So that's why we can get these results so fast. So at this point, I'm just testing the B1 and B2. It's already running up a little bit since yesterday, only one trade, not trading today. So I'm gonna start comparing the results because this has a lot of potential.